Hi everyone, welcome back. Chitra here. In this video, we will be demonstrating on how we are going to be setting up our ECOFLOW solar panel to charge our ECOFLOW battery. In the last video, we did the unboxing and now we will be trying it out for the first time. Join us as we do this. This is all the instructions on how to set up the solar panel given on the cover of the box, and that is what we will be doing. It's also showing the direction in which you can place according to the direction of the sun. You can adjust the angle in this way, and then after that you can turn it according to the direction of the sun. We are going to be moving the battery under the shade so it doesn't get overheated. After unpacking, we noticed that it was charged only up to 29%. So we charged for 5 minutes with normal electricity and it charged pretty quickly and it has reached 35%. Now we will be trying to charge it with solar power. I think it takes a little bit longer, but we will see how much we can do for today. The positive and negative plug and socket is marked very clearly and it will not get mixed up, so it's very easy to follow this instruction. These are standard international plugs. The positive is marked in red and the negative is marked in black. The battery is getting charged from 35% because we started with 35%, and you can see the circling, and that indicates that it is charging, and the top number, which is the input wattage, fluctuating between 81 and 82. And if you attach 3 more such panels, you could charge the battery faster. Thank you for watching. We will be following up on this ECOFLOW battery system in a future video by giving you our review and also showing you how it has been working out for us. See you in my next video. Bye bye.